If you've been involved in an accident, you probably went through an insurance company to get your vehicle repaired. But what about recovering the loss of value in your car?
Talking about thousands of dollars you could be missing out on simply because you didn't know it was available to you. Aliana Gomez joins us now with details on how to get that full value back after the crash. Interesting.
We're talking about 10 to 30% of the value of your car that you lose if you get into an accident. A lot of people really don't know about it. It's actually called diminished value. And here in Connecticut, drivers are entitled to get that money back after an accident if someone else is at fault.
It's one of the biggest mistakes a driver makes. Your car was hit by another vehicle. Their insurance company sends it to a body shop for repairs. You get it back and it's in tip-top shape, right? Wrong.
Whether it was put back to factory specs with factory parts, or it was used with OEM or with the aftermarket parts and done by an unqualified repairer, it's still going to show up in the Car Fax and it's still going to take a hit on the car.
Even though that accident wasn't your fault, it's now on your vehicle's Car Fax report and will prevent future dealers from giving you the value for what you think your car is worth.
A lot of times they will reduce the price by, I've seen anywhere from 10% all the way up to 35%.
Matthew Forrest is a local attorney who fights to get consumers cash for the value they lost on their vehicle. It's all part of a law that many people have never even heard of. It does vary from state to state, but here in Connecticut,
if you have a vehicle that's worth a certain amount of money before an accident and you get your car repaired very well, but you get it back and it's worth less, you are entitled to the difference between the value before the accident and the value after the repair.
For example, if your car is worth $30,000 before someone rear-ends you, you're looking at about a 10% loss in value. If you take that at-fault driver's insurance company to court, you could get $3,000 back in diminished value.
The attorney tells me that consumers can seek the loss of value on their own, but it can be a pretty grueling process. He suggests hiring an attorney to handle the case for you, but don't worry, you don't have to pay them unless they win the case. Carrie Lee and Brad, back to you.
All right.